Hello everyone, thanks for watching. For the last 3 videos, I introduced the material used for the ballroom garland and show you 2 of other methods to make the ballroom garland. And on this video, I will show you the 3rd ways to make the ballroom garland. Okay, let's get started. Look, in front of you are the inflated ballroom and tie 2 of them together with different size. Look. And now we need to combine them, 2 of them together. Okay, I combine them to make this 4 ballroom set. A lot of them, and also all the color. And now, the most important part, we need to pick some of them and combine to make different garland components. We will make 3 types. Okay, firstly, take the long ballroom and tie on the ballroom set. Make 2 knots will be much more firmly. Okay, the first type of the component. Look, take 2 of this 4 ballroom set. Look, and then tie together. Remember, when you step the ballroom, don't step like this. You need to put the ballroom like this. Okay. And then right on the ballroom. And then pick the 1 month of the ballroom and then tie on the long ballroom. So this is the first component. Okay. Okay, the next style of the component, I will use this large ball. The procedure are the same. Use the long ballroom and tie on the ballroom set. Okay, and then also step the ballroom set to make the component. Okay. 1 more. Okay, tie with the mouth of the ballroom. This is the second type of the ballroom component. Okay, and then let's make another type of component. The same. Tie with the long ballroom. And then 1 more set. Okay, so we make 3 types of the component. And also make for other colors. And now, following, we need to combine them together. Okay, first of all, it's very important with the starting of the ballroom garland. The first component of the garland, we need to pick the component with a large ball. And this large ball must on the bottom to touch the floor. Because as a ballroom garland, the bottom part should be larger than the part on the top. Okay, look, take this component, this large ball on the bottom, and then the other component. Okay, since I only have small quantity of the large ballroom, so I cannot put a lot of parts with a large ball, so maybe it come out not perfect, but I just show you the concept. Okay, take two components, and then remember the ballroom we tied before. Let's just conceal them. Be careful of the ballroom, the place of the ballroom. Then just wrap on each other. Just wrap with one ballroom will be okay, I think. Okay, then tie two long ballroom together. Okay. So we connect two components to a longer one. So the next step, combine with another one. Since the procedure are the same, so I will show you the effect after I complete all the components. Okay, look, I make two garlands. One is long and one is short. Now let's tie it to the backdrop. About how to DIY the backdrop. We accept customize the backdrop. Just tell me the size you want and the color you like will be okay. Or you can send me the inspirational picture. The detail about the backdrop and how to set it up, you can check here for the old tutorial. We use this clip or this clip to tie the ballroom garland. Actually, any clip will be okay. Look, very simple. Just tie a long ballroom on the clip and then clamp on the ball. Also, this type of clip. Okay, look, I clamp several clips on the ball. Okay, now let's tie the garland onto the backdrop. Okay, let's starting with the bottom. Look. Use the long ballroom and tie red to tie on the ballroom will be okay. Just red on the ballroom will be okay. Okay, sturdy. And now the other one. Okay, use the same method to tie the whole ballroom garland. Let's check the effect. Okay, look, completed with tie on the backdrop. And look at the bottom. If we tie more ballroom on it to make it larger, the come out will be much more pretty. But since I don't have enough ballroom on hand, so maybe in the future, I will make another design with more ballroom to show you the effect. Okay, then let's tie the small ballroom, 5-inch ballroom on the garland. Very simple. You can just use this two ballroom and the rubber band. and put on the garland. Or you can use 2 of this ballroom. Look, wrap them and use the rubber band. Then attach to the garland. Okay, then let's check the effect after we put on the small ballroom. And also, I attached the gold sign on it. Okay, then let's set up the pedestal and the cake. Look, this is our folding pedestal. Since I already took a tutorial to show you the detail about this pedestal, if you are interested, click here for the old tutorial. I don't repeat on this video. Okay, completed with the pedestal and also all the setup. Look, this is the whole effect. On this place, it looks empty. We can decorate with some flowers, or you can stick a large butterfly. That will be much more pretty, but since I don't have them on hand. Or you can make a logo and stick on the arch will be better. For your information, we supply almost all the material used on the video, like the pedestal and the backdrop. We accept customize the backdrop. If you are interested, you can inbox me via Facebook page. Find the link from the description. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Hope you like it. And support by share this video. Don't skip the app as supporting. Thank you for your watching. Bye.